An Airbus A321 operated by South Korea's Air Busan caught fire at Gimhae International Airport while preparing for departure to Hong Kong. All 169 passengers and 7 crew members were safely evacuated, although one person sustained a minor injury and was taken to the hospital. The fire reportedly originated in the plane's tail. This incident follows a recent aviation tragedy in South Korea, where a Jeju Air flight crashed during an emergency landing, resulting in numerous fatalities. Airbus has acknowledged the incident and is in communication with Air Busan.